Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating history of insurance. This video will explore the evolution of insurance, from its ancient origins to its modern-day complexities, focusing on both international and local developments. At the end of this topic, you should be able to understand the historical aspects and the very nature of insurance. First, let's define what insurance truly is. It's more than just a contract. It's a promise of security. Basically, insurance can be defined as coverage by contract, whereby one party undertakes to indemnify or guarantee another against loss by a specified contingency or peril. So at its very core, the basis of insurance is a, quote, guarantee against loss. Have you ever wondered where insurance actually came from? Who were the first people to be insured and why? Let's trace its international origins. The first documented form of insurance can be traced back to 2100 BC with the Code of Hammurabi, where Babylonian merchants protected their goods from pirates. The modern insurance market began in 1688 at Edward Lloyd's Coffee House in London, where merchants, ship owners, and underwriters met to transact business. This led to the formation of Lloyd's of London, a pioneering institution. Now, let's shift our focus to the history of the insurance industry right here in Malaysia, understanding how it began and evolved. The beginning of insurance in Malaysia can be traced to the colonial period between the 18th and 19th centuries, focusing on major ports like Penang, Malacca, and Singapore. British trading firms and agency houses established in this country acted as agencies for British-based insurance companies, facilitating early insurance transactions. The 1950s witnessed a spiraling growth in the insurance industry in Malaysia. Although foreign firms dominated, local companies began to emerge. A substantial portion of the market was cornered by British and American firms. Even as late as 1955, foreign insurers dominated 95% of the total business. After independence in 1957, nationalistic sentiments led to efforts to control foreign company establishments and foster local participation in the insurance sector. The early 1960s saw a growth of life insurance companies, but many failed due to unsound operations, leading to government intervention through legislation. Key ordinances like the Workmen's Compensation Ordinance 1952 and the Road Traffic Ordinance 1958 significantly influenced the growth of insurance in Malaya. The Insurance Act of 1963 laid the groundwork, later superseded by the 1996 Insurance Act, to ensure solvency. Most recently, the Financial Services Act 2013 further strengthened the regulatory framework. Today, the insurance industry in Malaysia is governed by Bank Negara Malaysia under the Ministry of Finance since 1988. BNM's primary objective in its supervision is the protection of policy owners' interests. They have implemented various measures to strengthen the industry structurally and operationally. These efforts ensure a robust and stable insurance sector, safeguarding consumers, and promoting a healthy financial ecosystem in Malaysia. At the end of the history of insurance internationally and locally.